I run, let's see what we are going to create. If lucky yes, let's start to create that. You see, the thing that's hard to create is that shape. So how we can create that shape to look good? Let's insert a new folder. Here we need to add a rectangle from here, and after adding a rectangle, align its center and middle. Then you need to insert a shape like this and also align its center. Then press Ctrl A and go to shape format and make them fragment. Then delete this thing. Now press Ctrl A and set the shape outline to none. Let's take a look at the slide. You see, this white color is not going to visible, so don't really care about that. Then let's make it the color we want. I'm going to make it white, no black, and all the slide white. Now let's copy the text. This is just a simple text, nothing more. Now you need to recolor it to the colors you want. Here is going to be black. Here is also going to be black. And this is going to be white. Okay, it's nice. But you see, there are some problems. This thing is bigger, but it's good. Now we copy the text that we made ready and send it to back. Now you need to color your background. We format the background to this window as appeared. Then choose the color you want. I'm going to go with this, apply it to all. Then copy this slide and here bring it up. Then bring it. You can reduce its size now. Bring it down. You see what the problem with bringing down? It's not looking the best way when you bring it down. So what you shall do? You shall create something like this. It's also a nice effect, or you can create the effect like this by combining into two parts, but I'm going with this. Then set the transition to morph and let's take a look. You see, it has also something amazing that it's like creating, moving and everything else. I like it. I hope you also enjoyed. If you like it, tell me in the comments.